This is my indoor point cloud setup. So this was run last night, generated some pretty good data, just showing this in the daylight for some clarity. So over here we have a tripod set up and it's got the apparatus mounted to it through the standard mounting configuration, just some lightweighting modifications. On this we have the battery connected to the Arduino and the Pi. The Arduino is simply powering laser for now, but might power some more stuff later when we get into that. So the setup over here, basically the object I'm scanning is this chair. It's white, so it reflects laser light pretty well. It has some good geometries as a target. Also have the salt and pepper shakers. They're a little harder to detect, so they're good targets to determine the fidelity of the measurements. And then we have this wall back here as well as a pretty big target that the laser will pick up. So in terms of measuring this, as we turn on this battery over here, we can see a laser light pretty clearly. Moving this up and down will produce different sets of measurements. I use my phone's clinometer to measure exactly 1 degree increments up this chair and back against this wall to input into the Pi. So in the future, I'd like to use an accelerometer connected to the Arduino to accelerate this process and make it a little easier. For this setup, I was just using this monitor and keyboard and mouse setup to control this test.